What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on 2003 Hummer H2. The vehicle came in with the complaint the batteries draw like in about 4 days, 4 nights, and then the batteries will be low and then cannot start and more in case we have to jump or charge the battery back. So in this case I already set up the, you see the multimeter. We have to put on the, move the lead to the amperage reading, and then you turn the to amperage reading. So right now you can see this vehicle. Make sure before we do this we close all the door, all the vehicle equipment turn off, and then wait for a while and then let all the module back to sleep. On the batteries I already disconnected the negative battery, and then the positive lead on the negative battery cable, and then the negative lead on the negative battery negative terminal. So right now, as you can see, this vehicle all the way draw the battery with 127 milliamp. This vehicles with that much, this vehicle will part like in about 4 days or four day and night, and then cannot start no more. And then in this case I will show you, like I say, connect the multimeter for reading like this, and then wait for a while until all the module back to sleep, and then you have the real reading. I don't know, but sorry for flare, because my rope is all the way lighting up like that. So as you can see, 127 milliamp. Okay, off the camera back and with my cameraman, and then I will show you what to do. First we should do on easiest step first, like fooling the fuel box. You see, we have to one by one pull out all the fuel at one by one, and then look at the multimeter reading. And even the alternator, like the last video I do on what I call 2008 Ford F-250, if battery draws, but in that case the new alternator. And then the last step, the final step, even the computer, we have to take the connector out to see inside the computer gets sorted or not. Okay, anyway, back with the cameraman setup. Okay, got back with the camera setup, and then multimeter right there, as you can see, still reading 127 milliamp, and then the fuel box right here, and then in this case the battery draw, and then we have to do like this. Okay, if you whatever fuel you want to start to, and then for example if you want to start from here, and then you have to go this way in order make sure you don't miss any. Okay, like for example this fuel, I will take it out and then keep reading, guys. It's still the same reading. That means on this line, this field, no problem, no shortage on this line. And then the next one like this, you have to pull out and then It's still same reading. Put it back. Like I say, go in order one by one and back and forth, or this way or that way. Make sure you don't miss any field. See, still same reading. Okay, we'll be off the camera, and I will fight until I found where the problem, and we'll back and let you guys see that. Okay, got back with all field here, all the fields here. I already took one by one out, but it's no help at all. Even some bigger field like this, you can see on these slides. And then it's a few bigger, like some then the high rating like 40, 60, 50, 30 something, and then we have to do the same. Okay, back to the camera, you can see this field in the corner here. I found the problem on this field. Make sure when you use the flyer like this, you don't break the field housing. Okay, as you can see, the field came up right now. This field is the 40 amp field, and then like right now on the multimeter, as you can see, the amperage it dropped down to 27 milliamp. That's a good reading. Keep in mind that all vehicle, when it's all the module, everything door lock, and then sit overnight, the amperage draw is to be less than 50 milliamp, no more than 50 milliamp. But in this case, it dropped to 28, 27 milliamp. I'm okay with that. It's very good reading. So now, in about like 1/3, 1/4 of the way, we just found on this line we got that shorted, but we don't really know what this field for, and share the circuit to what component and what the device in the vehicle, and we have to go behind this line, behind this field. Okay, as you can see on the field box cover, we have right here in this field in the corner here, the field box layout is this field that we call TTUD number 1 field, and we have another field in this corner at TTUD number 2. The number 2 is low rate, then the number 1 is this one. It's just like 30 amp. Okay, and then time we have. How we know this? Share the circuit to what component and what device in the car. We have to follow the wiring diagram. Okay, back to the wiring diagram and see what the circuit through this field goes. Okay guys, 2003 Hummer H2 V8 6.0 liter engine. Okay, in this case we have to go to the power and ground distribution, and then make sure we open to another window, and then we'll have to the electrical wiring diagram. We go to power. Okay, that's all. We have the power here, and let me zoom it out. you know, okay, we have to look for the field like one by one. As you can see, oh, right here, you can see. Let me zoom more for you guys, easier to see. Okay, we have TUD1 field 40M. This field will always the wire red color and go all the way to the trailer connector. And wire, yeah, that's okay. You guys can see right here the TUD2, the field 30M. We don't need to anything about this field, but we have to, because this field seems to be easy. Like you can see, it go to the trailer connected. Okay. Let me take the field box cover back here. As you can see, the field dash is TUD number 1, and then the field is right here. Okay, 40M. All right. So now we have to check to see the wire gets short to the ground by the chassis, or shorted to the negative wires, or something else, because as you can see right now, no trailers attached to the vehicle. And then okay, let me show you from here. Okay, like you can see, we talk something for a while, and then the multimeter is go sleep. We have to turn it back like that. Okay, you can see that when we turn it back, it's still 28 milliampere without the field. What happens, see if I put the field back in. Okay, 128 milliampere. Okay, from now we have to put the field in like that, keep the multimeter reading like that, and on the way we try to set the wire, we try to remove all the components, we try to do something until it drop back. Yeah, as you can see, still reading. Keep the multimeter reading amperes like that, and then keep the field intact, let it draw the battery. And then the first thing, you know, we already know this field on the wiring diagram is say to the trailer connector. And the first thing, of course, we look in the back of the vehicle, see the trailer intact there or no trailer. Okay, I guess yeah, as you can see right here, the end of the car, and then no trailer. Okay, I have already this to get lower and see. You see this is the trailer connector cover, and look like someone is trying to put something in it. And then this wire from that thing, and I don't know, but the end here with the connected the connector no connected. And as you can see right here, another end maybe here. Yep, the female and male connector I have it here. Okay, and then what is it thing for? Okay, let's see. With only one hand I try to put in. Of course we back here, to see with the trailer intact, electrical connected. Of course, we don't have the trailer, we don't have electrical connected, but someone put something in here in the trailer connected. Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, and let's put it here. Okay, let it free like that. I don't care. Okay, as you can see that all the connected terminal and there seem to be like clean to me, no corrosion. And then anyway, next step we go back and see what the multimeter reading. Okay, we found the problem. You see, earlier I should disconnect the thing from the trailer connector, and now the multimeter amperage reading it dropped down to 27 milliampere. It's something like with no fuel in there. Okay, we have to be sure. Go back there and put the tin back. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I said only one hand. Okay, good connected. I think good connection. Okay, back there and look the multimeter again. Uh-oh. See? Okay guys, in this case we are done, and then call the customer and let them know that the thing connected to the trailer connector here gets short inside. I don't know what it is. Let me move out again. Yeah, this thing cannot be used no more. Okay, let's it back. See it again. Okay, good. Alright guys, that's the way we found the battery draw on the vehicle on many different case. I mean many different reason to draw the battery. When we sit it overnight, it doesn't matter how long, one night long, 2, 3, 1 week, we do the same way. But keep in mind that no more than 50 milliampere. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.